Updating your beneficiary details on Yieldstreet is an important task to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.rock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select beneficiary information. In the account settings, look for an option related to beneficiary information or estate planning. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update beneficiary details. You will see your current beneficiary details. Edit the information as needed, adding or removing beneficiaries as required. Ensure all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your beneficiary details have been successfully updated. Now you have successfully updated your beneficiary details on Yieldstreet. It's a good practice to review this information periodically to ensure it remains current.